Fifth question of third main arithmetic progression exercise 1.3. In that, here given D is 5, S9 is 75, find A and A9. Yes, here D and S9 given, that is Sn. So I use formula Sn here. The Sn is equals to n by 2 into bracket of 2a plus of n minus 1 into d. Yes, here n is nothing but 9. S9 is equals to n is 9 by 2. 2 into s, we need to find out a and a9. A write as it is. Next, n is 9 minus 1 into d is 5. Yes, here s9 is equals to 9 by 2 into bracket of 2a plus of 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 5 ja 40. Yes, so then S9 is given 75. So 75, this is into 9 by 2 becomes 2 by 9 equals to 2a plus of 40. Yes, so this can be written as 75 into 2. It is nothing but 150, or we can generally write here. This is 3 3 ja, 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja. Okay, so now 25 2 ja, this is 50 equals to into 3 becomes divided by 3. So divided by 3 becomes into 3. 3 into 2a plus 40. Yes, this can be written as 50 is equals to 3 2 ja 6a plus of 3 4 ja 12, 120. Okay, I just read 6a here only. Then this is 50 minus of 120. 50 minus 120, yes, we need to subtract 120 minus 50. This is equals to minus 70 equals to a. This into 6 becomes divided by 6. So this can be done as, so this is nothing but 2 3 ja 2 35 ja. So then here a equals to minus 35 by 3. This is the value of a. Yes, here we need to find out again a9. So I use formula an is equals to a plus of n minus 1 into d. Okay, here a9, n is 9 equals to a is, we know value, that is a here minus 35 by 3. Minus 35 by 3 into bracket of n is 9 minus 1 into 5. D is 5. Then a9 is equals to minus 35 by 3 plus of 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 5 ja 40. So LCM is 3. Then minus 35. So this is 3 1 ja 1 3 ja. Okay, 4 3 ja 12. That is 120 divided by LCM is 3. So 120 minus 35 is nothing but 85 by 3. This is the value of A9. Sixth question is, here given that A equals to 2, D equals to 8, Sn is equals to 90, find n and an. Yes, first we need to find out n and then an. Yes, here we know, here they have given Sn, that is we need to take formula Sn. So here Sn is equals to, we know formula n by 2 into bracket of 2a plus of n minus 1 into d. Yes, here we know Sn is 90, n by 2, 2 into a is 2 plus of n minus 1 into d is 8. So this can be solved by, this is 90 divided by, here n by 2 is there, n by 2 becomes into 2 equals to n into bracket of 2 2 ja 4 plus of, I just multiply this one, 8 into n ja 8 n plus into minus minus 8 1 ja 8. So binomial into monomial. So here 92 ja, this is 180 equals to n into bracket of a10 minus 8 plus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. This is greater one, that's why this is a minus 4. Okay, so now this can be written as a10 into n, a10 square plus 4n into n, sorry, this is minus of 4n into n, 4n, yes, equals to 180. So this is multiplied by monomial into binomial. Okay, this is equals to 180. So this can be done as a10 square minus 4n equals to 180. So I just divide the whole equation by 4, divided by 4. So on dividing 4, 4 2 ja 8, that is 4 2 ja 8, 2n square, 4 1 ja 4, 1n, so equals to 4 4 ja 16, 2, so 4 5 ja 20. So this can also be written as 2n square minus n minus 45 equals to 0. So here we have the quadratic equation. We need to splitting the terms. We need to use this splitting the midterm. This is 45 2s, yes, the 45 2s is 90, plus into minus 45 2 90, this is n square. So we need to split the midterm. So we need here 1. The sum is 1. The sum of two multiples is 1 and the multiplication of two numbers is 90. So on. So here this can be done as 10 9 ja 90. 10 9 ja 90. So the sign of this number is minus. So write it to greater one. Minus into minus plus. So this is n square, n into n. So now the midterm can be written as 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 equals to 0. So here 10 minus 10n plus 9n is equals to minus 1n. So here in first two terms 2n is common. 2n. Here we left with, so 2 is outside, n is outside, 1n is left, n minus, this is 2 5 ja, n is outside, okay, plus of, here 9n minus 45, 9 45, here 9 is common, n minus 9 5 ja 45 equals to 0. Yes, here this can be again written as n minus 5, n minus 5 is common. So this is, we left with 2n plus 9 equals to 0. So here I take the value n minus 5 equals to 0, another 2n plus 9 equals to 0. Here n is equals to plus 5, minus 5, it becomes plus 5. This can be done as 2n equals to minus 9, n equals to minus 9 divided by 2. So this has to not consider because this is a negative number and this is also fraction. So n is always any whole number. Okay, not negative, not fraction. So that's why I take the n value, n equals to 5. So now in next we need to find out an, that is an, we know an is equals to a plus of n minus 1 into d. So here a 5 equals to a is, yes, we have value of a is 2 plus of n is 5 minus 1 into d is 8. So this is 2 plus of 5 minus 1 4. 8 4 ja 32. So this is equals to 34. This is the fifth term.